Jonah disobeyed God. But you see, there's something that happened when Jonah got on that ship that was going to toss. You see, there arose a great wind, a great tempest came in the sea. Yes, it did. The men looked around at one another. Say, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's something wrong here. All of a sudden, a great wind came up. All of a sudden, there was a storm in the sea. And Jonah was fast asleep. He went on to sleep while the storm was raging. So they said, wait a minute. Let us try to lighten the load. They start throwing things overboard. But that still didn't do it. Because we got to throw you overboard. So they threw him overboard. Yes, they did. But God already prepared a great